Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Annexure H of your sales tax return. First, you need to clearly understand what Annexure H requires. It typically details specific sales and purchase transactions for a given period. Next, gather all relevant documents, such as invoices and credit notes, ensuring they are complete and organized. Accuracy is paramount, so double-check all figures and taxpayer identification numbers before moving to the next step in the process. Now, let's prepare your data. Consolidate all your sales and purchase invoices into a single, organized electronic format. It is crucial to verify the taxpayer identification numbers for each transaction to avoid errors. Then, format this consolidated data precisely according to the specific electronic template provided by the tax authority. This step ensures your submission will be accepted smoothly. With your data ready, it's time for online submission. Log in to the official sales tax portal using your credentials. Navigate to the section for Annexure H and upload your carefully prepared data file. After uploading, take a moment to thoroughly review the information displayed on the screen. Check for any discrepancies or errors that might have occurred during the upload process. Finally, let's finalize and confirm your submission. After your thorough review, proceed to submit Annexure H. Once submitted, it is absolutely essential to save the confirmation receipt or acknowledgement number provided by the system. This serves as proof of your filing. Additionally, keep all your supporting documents organized and readily accessible for any future audits or inquiries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.